welcome back. Now GetResponse has a free trial offer for 30 days. And that free trial offer will start at the account level that you determine you need for your business. And so what you'll do when you come to GetResponse.com is you'll go to the pricing area. And then you'll need to select the range that you want to start with. Now each level has a base in terms of number of subscribers that you'll start with. And GetResponse will give you a counter where you can determine based on your list size where you'll be paying. So for example, if you wanted to start at the pro level, the base number of subscribers is 5,000. However, if you were to raise that level to 10,000, then your base level would go up to $75 monthly. And you'd see the same basic arrangement with the email version, which is one step below. So the higher you go in terms of number of subscribers, the less the cost difference will be between email and pro. So logically, the best place to start would be choosing the pro package. Choosing the pro package will allow you to have webinars when you wouldn't be able to have it with the email system. And it'll also give you more options when it comes to workflows and marketing automation. You'll also notice that you can have 2 other team members work with you if you have the pro package. Of course, you'll pay less if you choose to pay by a 12-month subscription or a 24-month subscription. We're going to start with a monthly subscription, and then we're going to start our free trial. We're going to start it at the lowest number of leads available, and we are going to click this link that says try 1 month free with no credit card. So to start your free trial, you'll write in your name, email, and a password. Now once you create your account, you'll be asked to activate your account inside of your email. And inside of your inbox, you'll see your email. You'll want to click the link that says activate my account. You'll then be asked to complete an account setup. And once you do that, your GetResponse account will be ready for use. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.